Let's talk about TikTok for a moment. The most downloaded app in the world for the last 2 and 3 years running. Back in 2020, over 100 million Americans, 100 million, used TikTok, and that was over 2 years ago. Since 2022, TikTok's average monthly users, and this year, every quarter of this year, has increased by 234%. It's incredible growth. And you can see why. It's a fun app to use. Here's what most Americans don't know, because TikTok doesn't want them to know. It's that the app runs continuously in the background on your phone or device. It collects your keystrokes. It has access to your email, access to your calendars, access to the notes and clipboard functions of your computer or iPhone or tablet or device. It, of course, tracks your geolocation. It is essentially an evidence-gathering, data-gathering machine that runs on your phone. Can you turn it off? Can you stop it from doing these things? No, you can't. Not if you want to use the app. And what's the connection to Beijing? Only this, that TikTok is owned by ByteDance, a Chinese company, and under Chinese law, that company must provide all data to the Chinese Communist Party that the party wants upon its request. And we know that there are Chinese Communist Party members in TikTok leadership. We know that the Chinese Communist Party has held so-called training sessions for ByteDance and TikTok employees. We know that this data, Americans' data, is available to the Chinese Communist Party, to Beijing, because of TikTok. And it is time we did something to protect American users. They issued a statement this morning admitting that there may be national security concerns with their platform, after denying it under oath, by the way, for years on end before Congress. But they also begged Congress not to do anything rash, like actually take action. They said, oh, no, wait, negotiate with us. Well, I just say this. The time to wait to secure the privacy of American citizens is long past. And the least we can do, the very first step we can take, is to ban this app and its use on federal government devices. I hope that now the House and the Senate will act together to move this legislation quickly to the President's desk, and we can take the further historic step of seeing this legislation enacted into law, protecting the privacy and the security of every single American.